Can you create 3 simple letter E logos? Watch how I do it in Canva. Curious how these 3 simple logos were created using just a few tricks. No advanced design skills needed, and you can try them yourself in Canva. But the secret behind these eye-catching designs might surprise you. Hey everyone! In this video, we're not just creating 1 but 3 simple letter E logos with Canva tricks that will make you go, wow, is it really that easy? Curious? Let's dive right in. To create these logos one by one, the first step is to open Canva and create a new document. Choose the canvas size for your logo. Next, change the background color to black with the hex code #1B1818. Now, let's create the first letter E logo. First, grab a circle from the Elements menu. Resize it to your liking. Then, change the circle's color to yellow, #F5ED36. Next, add the letter E in the center of the circle by going to the text menu. Choose a unique font called Playwright US Trad. Adjust the size of the letter and position it properly. After that, change the letter's color to match the background. If you want this logo to suit a delivery or travel brand, you can add a plain icon from the Elements menu. Place the plain icon at the tip of the letter E and match its color to the logo. This way, the letter E logo will look like it's forming a plains trail, adding a unique philosophy to the design. And there you have it, the first logo. Easy, right? Now, let's move on to the second logo. First, add a new page to your design. Go to Elements and grab a grid line. Position it to cover the entire page. The grid lines help ensure the second logo is precise and proportional. Next, go back to Elements and grab a diamond shape. Color the diamond with a gradient of green and purple. Adjust the gradient direction from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Position the diamond in the center of your canvas, making it as large as 5 grid columns. Now, grab a square from Elements. Rotate the square to match the diamond's orientation. Adjust the square into a rectangle with the following proportions: width equal to 1 grid column. Length longer than the diamond's width. Position the rectangle on the second row of the grid line. Duplicate the rectangle to make a second one and place it on the fourth row. Change the color of both rectangles to match the background. Now, you'll see a clean and proportional letter E design emerge. Delete the grid lines. Select all the logo elements and group them to combine them into one design. Adjust the size and position, centering it on the canvas. And wow, our second logo is done. Let's create the final logo. Add a new page to your design to start fresh. Go to Elements and grab a hexagon. Adjust the size and place it in the center of the canvas. Duplicate the hexagon and change its color to match the background. Make the duplicated hexagon smaller and place it inside the first hexagon. Make sure the placement is perfectly aligned. Next, create a vertical line to cut through both hexagons. To do this, grab a square from Elements, reduce its width, and stretch it vertically to match the height of the hexagons. Then, grab another square to add an element in the middle of the logo. Adjust its width to match the hexagon sides and rotate it horizontally. Place it in the center, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the middle divider. Finally, it's time to color the logo. Add a gradient of green and yellow to the main hexagon. For the center section, add a new color, pick a shade that matches the example, and apply it. Repeat this for the other parts of the logo. And here we go, the third logo is complete. What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Feel free to drop a comment below with your suggestions for future ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.